Tesla in China, a story of soaring highs and new challenges. The Shanghai Gigafactory, a cornerstone of Tesla's global production, recently celebrated a major milestone, rolling out its 9 millionth vehicle. This incredible achievement highlights Tesla's manufacturing prowess and the relentless pursuit of efficiency. Tesla operates its crucial Gigafactory Shanghai in China, producing Model 3 and Model Y vehicles for local demand and international export, with production exceeding 4 million units by late 2025. Despite high competition and a slight 2025 sales dip, China remains a core market, with 2025 sales of roughly 631,000 cars, representing about 22% of global revenue. However, the road in China is not without its bumps. In 2025, Tesla saw its first annual sales decline in the country, a drop of nearly 5%. This is a clear sign of the increasingly competitive landscape, with local brands like Xiaomi's SU7 surging in popularity and even outselling Tesla's popular models. The Chinese government is also introducing new regulations, mandating physical controls for essential vehicle functions, and even banning yoke steering wheels. And amidst a growing trade war, Tesla has halted sales of its Model S and Model X in China. Tesla is facing a significant slump in China as of early 2026, with market share dropping to 3.2% in October 2025 due to fierce competition, regulatory scrutiny, and a consumer shift toward local brands like BYD and Xiaomi. Key challenges include a 35.8% sales drop in October 2025, restricted use of full self-driving data, and new bans on hidden door handles. Despite these challenges, Tesla's story in China is far from over. Exports from the Shanghai factory have increased dramatically, and a strong start to 2025, driven by the new Model Y, shows that the brand still holds strong appeal. The future of Tesla in China will be a fascinating battle of innovation, adaptation, and competition. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more. See you in the next video.